If you're watching this, you know you're in Antarazouqh. And today we are in the garden once again, plucking some fresh palak leaves. Growing spinach is not a difficult crop at all. All you need to do is plant enough pots so that you can harvest leaves for one dish at one point of time. Today I plan to make Palak Paneer, and this is how I do it. I start with a pan on medium heat with a spoonful of oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm gonna start frying little cubes of paneer. Until a beautiful golden brown color on one side is achieved. Set it aside. Now in the same pan, with that remaining oil, I'm going to start sauteing a few cloves of garlic, roughly chopped, one small onion, again roughly chopped, and a slit green chili. I'm going to sprinkle on some salt so that the juices come out and get caramelized properly. Now it's time to add in our washed spinach. Let it wilt completely before the next step. Once it's slightly cool to touch, let's put it in a mixer grinder jar to pulverize the mix into a smooth paste. Now add in a handful of coriander leaves, fresh coriander leaves, again from the garden, and pulverize that also in the same mix. Put that same pan once again on heat and heat up a spoonful of oil. Add in a dry red chili and wait till it turns brown. Now add in a few pinches of whole cumin or jeera. This is the tempering that I am going to use for Palak Paneer today. Now add the paste onto the hot pan and let it fry on low heat for just a minute. Just let the tempering or tadka to insert its flavor in the spinach gravy. This would be the perfect time to start adding in some dry powdered masala, which is half a teaspoon of coriander powder just to enhance the fresh coriander flavor in the gravy, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Now add a splash of water. Start with less water, and depending on the kind of gravy you want, you can up the amount of water or lower the amount of water. But start adding it in a splash at a time. Let the gravy fry with the masalas on lowest heat for another 2 minutes. Between that time, make a paste of cashew nuts and coriander, fresh coriander leaves, with some milk as the liquidizing agent. Add it into the gravy along with some more water if required. The addition of cashew nuts in the gravy really elevates the flavor of paneer, and the spinach gets a beautiful velvety feel on the tongue. Taste for seasoning. Adjust with salt and a pinch of sugar before adding in the fried paneer cubes. We are really sorry for the footage here, as the steam from the pan completely clouded our lens and we didn't understand. But this would be the right time to add in the paneer, mix it very well in the gravy so that the flavors of the gravy gets in each and every paneer cube. Check for the final seasoning before sprinkling on some cinnamon powder and a little dollop of ghee. Cheers!